Hey there everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to look at how to add a multi-factor authentication in Amazon AWS service. So let's go here. I'm going to explain simply, okay? Just come here and type IAM Service because that's where you have this. Click on it, and as soon as you open it, you will see this IAM dashboard and you can see add MFA for root user. Basically what this multi-factor authentication means is that you will add an extra security other than your password and your email credentials. So when you try to log in, even with your password, it will ask you for a multi-factor authentication code. Sometimes, rather than this multi-factor authentication, you can also keep your phone number and send an OTP to it. And you can also sometimes you can also add your email to send OTP to that too. And there are also other ways. One of the best ways is this multi-factor authentication code, because adding this MFA code will help you generate new code, like new 6 to 7 digit code for every 1 minute or 30 seconds, I think. So it helps you a lot. It will keep your account protected at all times. Okay, so now let's just add this. Click on add here, or you can simply go for my security credentials, and you can also add it from over here. For now, let's look at add MFA. Okay, as soon as you click on this, I would suggest you to go with Authenticator app. It may be your phone app or a normal application, or some coming to this passkey security. It is where you use USB or any key to encrypt that. Hardware is basically when you insert a particular USB device kind of thing. Okay, I'm going with Authenticator app here. Okay, device name, let's just say I'm going to use Authi device, Twilio Authi Authenticator app, that is. Click on next. So this is what it will be shown to you. Click on show QR code and simply use your phone. I'm using my phone and simply add account. I'm not going to show you how to do this. You can simply go and install in the Play Store Twilio Authi Authenticator, and it will show you. It's a simple thing, you will easily understand that. Okay, and you simply have to open that app and add account and use your QR code. I'm scanning it right now. Yep, I have scanned it. So as soon as it is signed, it will show you as Amazon Web Services. So as soon as you have added that, come here, enter a code from your virtual app below. Okay, now the code is ready over here. So first I have to enter one code. Okay, after 30 seconds I have to enter the second code. I mean, AWS services are really good, right? For this you can use any app. You can also use Google Authenticator. It's your wish. Okay, I'm using this one just for my safety purposes. So I'm going to add that. As you can see, it is successfully added, and boom, there you go. So let's try to log in again and check if this authenticator is actually working or not. I have saved this, right? Okay, now let's go and log out. Reload. Okay, now we have to sign into the console. Let's sign in. So I've entered my email, and now I'm going to add login using my password. As you can see over here, click. It will ask you for multi-factor authentication code. Now what you have to do is come here and choose, wait just a minute guys, and simply enter your authentication code from your device. As you can see, submit. And that's how you log in using your multi-factor authentication. As you've already seen, I have used 3 codes in just this span of 1 minute, I think 1 to 1.5 minutes, right? So that's how much security a MFA code gives you. So it's better to add an MFA code for your AWS account, not only AWS, any cloud services or any security application that you have. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Like, subscribe and share for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.